Sat Sri Akal ji, my name is Dr. Jaskirandeep Kaur and I am working from Health and Family Welfare side in the State Control COVID Cell. Today it is the 91st day of sharing daily media briefing about Punjab government's efforts in controlling the coronavirus pandemic situation in the state. Till today, coronavirus has infected 89,40,212 people worldwide, out of which 47,53,350 have recovered and 4,67,152 people have died. In India, this disease has infected 4,12,800 people, including 13,290 deaths, and almost 2,28,504 people have fully recovered from this deadly disease. The Punjab government is trying to test maximum number of samples, and in this regard, the state has sent 2,40,803 samples for testing, out of which 4,074 samples have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 122 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 99 people have died till date and 2,700 people have been discharged from the hospitals. In view of the growing tension amongst the people due to COVID-19 and to boost their morale, a Mission Fateh has been launched by the state government as a prestigious program of the people, by the people and for the people. Under this campaign, the state government will create awareness amongst the people about the epidemic by ensuring wearing a mask, hand washing, maintaining social distance, taking care of the elderly, being aware of the entry of the outsiders in the area, using COVA app to track virus patients and maintain a safe distance from them, importance of domestic exclusion, identifying flu symptoms and steps taken in this regard, impose restrictions and penalties for violations during Unlock 1, social mobilization to fight together against the epidemic, emphasize that the risk of the virus has not decreased but it is increasing. It seems that there is some confusion about the definition of Corona warriors and mission warriors. So let me clarify. All the officials, doctors, frontline workers of the government who are making earnest efforts in battling the virus are the Corona warriors. In addition, persons who have been symptomatic and have managed to beat the virus are fully recovered are also known as Corona warriors. Then there is mission warriors. Mission warriors are the citizens who observe all precautions and encourage other people to do the same. To try and get the status of a mission warrior, a person will have to go on to the COVA app and register for the same, and then he will earn points for taking daily precautions of wearing a mask, washing hands and maintaining safe distance, etc. Also will get points for referring people to download the app. But the points will be earned only for the number of people referred who actually download the app. They will also earn points for referring people to join the Mission Warrior competition and earn points based on the actual number of people referred who register for the contest. As many as 25 Mission Warriors would be declared every day in the state who have earned the maximum number of points in that day. These Mission Warriors will get a t-shirt and a personalized Mission Warrior bronze certificate bearing the photograph of that person. There will also be a weekly contest. Persons who earn the maximum number of points in 1 week will also be declared Mission Warriors in the state. They will be given a t-shirt which will also be awarded as a personalized Mission Warrior silver certificate bearing the photograph of the person. 50 such persons will be selected every week for the 4 weeks. There will also be a monthly contest. Who earn the maximum number of points in 1 month will be declared Mission Warriors in the state. They will be given a t-shirt and will be awarded a personalized Mission Warrior gold certificate bearing the photograph of the person. 100 such persons will be selected at the end of the 4 weeks of the contest. That makes a total of 1000 Mission Warriors in the state till the completion of the period of 4 weeks. Please note that the person who has won a bronze certificate will not be eligible to win another bronze certificate, but he can continue to earn points to try and win a silver and a gold certificate. Similarly, Similarly, a person who has won a silver certificate will no longer be eligible to win another silver certificate but can continue to earn points to try and win the gold certificate. In order to resolve the problems of upcoming medical and stress related issues of the people, Punjab government had launched a special helpline with the number 1800-180-4104 for the citizens to connect with the network of senior doctors and psychologists over a teleconference and get medical advice and counseling on COVID-19 and other related concerns. Kindly log on to this line to gain help over any psychological issues occurring during the COVID-19 situation. In the end, I would like to stress upon continuous efforts for Mission Fateh. You all must participate with utmost dedication and sincerity, not only to make this mission successful, but to ensure the safety of our family and society. Stay safe, stay home, and try to restrain moving out. Thank you so much.